Welcome! If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating videos and to support the channel. There's always more to explore in the universe. What if there was something orbiting a distant star that shouldn't exist? Thousands of light years away, hidden among the countless stars of the galaxy, NASA's telescopes have detected a strange object circling a distant sun. Its behavior defies everything we know about planetary systems, leaving scientists with more questions than answers. Is this a rogue planet? A cosmic anomaly? Or could it be something even more mysterious, something that challenges our understanding of the universe? The discovery has sparked excitement and confusion among astronomers. Space is full of strange worlds, but this object doesn't fit any known category. It's smaller than a planet, yet too massive to be a moon. Its orbit is irregular, as if something invisible is pulling it off course. Could this be the first evidence of a hidden force in deep space? Or perhaps a completely new type of celestial body? Understanding what this object is could rewrite what we know about star systems and the formation of planets. What makes this discovery even more exciting is the star it orbits, one remarkably similar to our own sun. If this strange object can exist there, could similar hidden worlds be lurking closer to home? As scientists race to unlock its secrets, the mystery grows deeper. What exactly is orbiting that distant star, and could it change our understanding of the universe forever? To understand why this discovery is so strange, we first need to look at how planetary systems usually form. When a star is born, it emerges from a swirling cloud of gas and dust. Over millions of years, some of this material clumps together to form planets, while the rest either falls into the star or is pushed away. The result is an orderly system where planets follow predictable orbits around their sun. Our own solar system is a perfect example. Rocky planets like Earth and Mars orbit closer to the sun, while massive gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn sit farther out. This pattern is seen across many known exoplanetary systems, which is why anything that breaks these rules immediately catches scientists' attention. Over the past few decades, telescopes like NASA's Kepler Space Telescope and the transiting exoplanet survey satellite TESS have discovered thousands of exoplanets, worlds orbiting other stars. Some of them are massive gas giants orbiting extremely close to their stars, known as hot Jupiters. Others are rocky planets in the habitable zone, where conditions might allow liquid water to exist. But every so often, astronomers come across something that doesn't fit any known category, something that defies our expectations. That's exactly what happened when researchers observed this distant star. Initially, they were looking for regular planets, but what they found was different. The object didn't behave like a typical exoplanet. Its orbit was erratic, as if it was being influenced by an unseen force. Even more puzzling, it appeared, to emit faint signals, something no ordinary planet should do. At first, scientists thought it might be a mistake, a glitch in the data. But as more observations came in, it became clear. Whatever this was, it was real. Could this be a rogue planet captured by the star's gravity? A fragment of a destroyed world? Or something entirely new? Unlike anything we've ever seen? The deeper scientists looked, the stranger the mystery became. The next step was to take a closer look. What they discovered would change everything. Inside a dimly lit observatory, a team of astronomers sat glued to their screens, their faces illuminated by the soft glow of incoming data. The observation had started like any other, a routine scan of distant stars for planetary candidates. But then, something unexpected appeared. A faint, irregular signal flickered across the data feed, almost like a whisper from the depths of space. At first, the researchers assumed it was noise, a minor glitch in the telescope's instruments. But as the signal repeated, growing stronger with each pass, tension in the room thickened. This was no mistake. The object in question was orbiting a sun-like star nearly 1,200 light-years away. It wasn't particularly large, smaller than most known planets. But what made it truly bizarre was its behavior. Unlike the smooth, predictable motion of other celestial bodies, this object's orbit was erratic, shifting in a way that defied explanation. Sometimes it seemed to speed up slightly, other times it lagged behind, as if something unseen was tugging at it. Even more perplexing, it appeared to emit faint bursts of energy, radio signals that pulsed in an irregular pattern. One scientist leaned in, adjusting the filters on the data stream. "That can't be right," she murmured. "Objects like this don't just emit signals on their own. Could it be an error in the telescope's readings? A background anomaly interfering with the data?" But as the team cross-checked their results with multiple observatories, the reality became undeniable. This was something real. The excitement was met with confusion. There were only a few known explanations for an object like this. It could be a rogue planet, a celestial wanderer that had been captured by the star's gravity. But that didn't explain the signals. Another possibility was that it was the shattered remains of a destroyed planet, debris still orbiting the star after some catastrophic event. Yet the data didn't match the chaotic movement expected from planetary fragments. As more observations poured in, the mystery only deepened. Infrared scans revealed an unusual composition, something that didn't quite match the standard elements found in known exoplanets. It was as if this object had properties never before seen in any celestial body. Could this be a completely new type of planetary object? Or was there something else, something far more mysterious hiding beneath the surface? With every new piece of data, one thing became clear. This wasn't just another exoplanet discovery. This object was something different, something that could challenge everything we thought we knew about planetary systems. Scientists around the world scrambled to understand what they were witnessing. What had NASA truly found orbiting this distant star? And more importantly, what could it mean for the future of space exploration? Verifying this discovery wasn't easy. At first, some scientists believed the strange signals and irregular orbit were nothing more than observational errors, perhaps a distant pulsar interfering with the data or a miscalculation in the telescope's readings. But as multiple observatories, including NASA's James Webb Space Telescope and the European Southern Observatory, focused on the object, the results were the same. This was real. And it wasn't behaving like anything we had ever seen. One of the biggest challenges was determining what exactly this object was made of. Traditional exoplanets have atmospheres that can be analyzed through spectroscopy, allowing scientists to identify their chemical composition. But this object didn't behave like a normal planet. It didn't seem to have a thick atmosphere, yet it emitted energy in short, unpredictable bursts. The bursts weren't strong enough to be a star, and they didn't match the signature of a typical exoplanet or brown dwarf. Even stranger, its orbit suggested that something, an unseen force, was pulling or disturbing its motion, almost as if it were reacting to an invisible gravitational influence. This led to several theories. One possibility was that the object was a captured rogue planet, a planet that had drifted through space before being trapped by the star's gravity. But most rogue planets don't emit signals, and they usually follow a stable orbit once captured. Another theory was that this could be the remains of a planetary collision where a massive impact had shattered a world into irregular fragments, yet the object was too intact and structured to be mere debris. Some even speculated it could be an extremely rare type of neutron star remnant, though its size and energy output didn't quite match that profile either. What made this discovery even more important was its location. The star it orbited was eerily similar to our own sun, raising an intriguing question. Could similar objects exist in our own stellar neighborhood, hidden just beyond the reaches of our telescopes? If so, what implications would that have for planetary science and our understanding of solar system formation? Comparisons were immediately drawn to past anomalies in space exploration. For example, the mysterious interstellar object Oumuamua, which passed through our solar system in 2017, defied classification with its unusual shape and unexplained acceleration. Some even questioned whether it was a natural object at all. Similarly, the Tabby's star mystery, where astronomers detected unusual dimming patterns that some speculated could be evidence of a vast megastructure, left the scientific community divided. Could this newly discovered object be another cosmic mystery of the same caliber? The implications of such a find are enormous. If this is a completely new type of celestial body, it could mean our current models of planetary formation are incomplete. It might suggest there are more strange and undiscovered objects lurking across the galaxy, waiting to be found. And if there truly is an invisible force affecting its orbit, could that hint at some new aspect of astrophysics we've yet to understand? As scientists worked tirelessly to gather more data, the realization settled in. This discovery wasn't just another exoplanet. It was something else, something that could change how we see the universe. But the biggest question remained. What exactly had NASA found orbiting this distant star, and were we ready for the answer? This discovery has the potential to change the future of space exploration in ways we can't yet fully grasp. If this strange object is truly unlike anything we've encountered before, it could force scientists to rethink how planets, stars, and even entire solar systems form. More importantly, it raises a fascinating question. If such anomalies exist around distant stars, could similar objects be lurking closer to home, perhaps even within our own solar system? The next steps for NASA and other space agencies will be crucial. Scientists will likely turn to the James Webb Space Telescope and future observatories like the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope to gather more precise data. By analyzing the light signatures and energy emissions from this object, they may be able to determine its exact composition and structure. Radio telescopes around the world will also continue listening for any signals, hoping to decode whether these bursts are a natural phenomenon or something more mysterious. But this discovery also highlights the need for more advanced space exploration technology. Current telescopes, while incredibly powerful, are still limited in their ability to observe distant exoplanets in detail. This finding could accelerate the push for next-generation telescopes capable of directly imaging these strange objects, bringing us closer to uncovering their secrets. It may even influence future interstellar probe missions, robotic spacecraft designed to leave our solar system and explore distant worlds up close. Beyond the scientific advancements, there's an even bigger question. What else is out there? If this is just one anomaly in the vastness of space, how many more are waiting to be found? Could there be other planetary objects with unexpected properties? And perhaps the most thrilling thought, could some of these discoveries challenge our very understanding of the universe? As researchers continue their investigation, one thing is certain: this is only the beginning. The cosmos is still full of mysteries, and with each new discovery, we edge closer to unraveling the hidden forces shaping our universe. But with so much still unknown, we have to wonder, what will we find next? This discovery may be one of the most significant moments in modern astronomy. An object unlike anything we've seen before, defying our understanding of planetary motion, composition, and even the very forces that govern the universe. Could this be a new type of celestial body, an undiscovered planetary phenomenon, or something even stranger? Whatever the answer, one thing is clear: our knowledge of the cosmos is still in its infancy. Moments like these define the future of space exploration. Just as past discoveries have rewritten our textbooks, this strange object orbiting a distant star could reshape how we think about the very nature of planets, gravity, and cosmic evolution. It challenges us to push the boundaries of science, to refine our instruments, and to dream bigger about what else might be lurking in the depths of space. As we stand on the brink of a new era of discovery, we have to ask, if one mysterious object can make us rethink everything, how many more secrets are waiting to be uncovered? Perhaps one day, when humanity finally travels beyond our own solar system, we will look back at this moment as a turning point, a discovery that sparked the next great leap in our cosmic journey. The universe is vast, unknown, and full of mysteries, and this is only the beginning. If you love exploring the mysteries of the universe, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. There's so much more to uncover, and we'll be here to bring you the latest discoveries, mind-blowing theories, and the most fascinating space stories. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this deep dive, and let us know in the comments. What do you think this strange object could be? Could it be something we've never encountered before? Stay curious, keep looking up, and we'll see you in the next video.